Yeah. Ass is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, now you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. And ran me 10,000, I do it like Brady. Orange is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie.
Yeah. It's funny how money changes situation. Miscommunication lead to complication. My emancipation don't put your equation. I was on the humble, you on every station. Someone play young, love it like she done. But remember not to game to under the sun. Everything you did has already been done. I know all the tricks from bricks to Kingston. Right kingdom, major kingdom, one wrong. Now understand El Boogie line by line. But different things test me, run to me, God. Y'all take a threat to me, newborn son. Help in this way since creation. A call you from temptation. Now you want ball over separation. Tarnish my image in the conversation. You won't live it like you champion. You might win some, but you just lost.
Finally ended work and I had to stop by the UPS store to drop off a return package. The line was so long in there. Luckily I just had to drop it off and leave. Now I'm gonna go back home. So I just got home, but I have to head back out because I actually booked a yoga class tonight. I know, who am I? But new apartment, new me. I actually signed up for a class pass the other day, so I'm gonna try to get back into my workout groove. I actually wanted to focus more on like yoga and Pilates, which is why I signed up. So during my lunch break, I went to do a little shopping with my coworker because Another Stories was having a sample sale nearby. So I'm just trying on the stuff that I bought. I bought these black pants. I love the length and the style of them, but honestly it's a little bit tight around the waist, so hopefully it kind of loosens up over time. Because it was a sample sale, I couldn't try it on beforehand, but probably would have went with a bigger size. And then here's the other piece that I got. It's a satin jumpsuit. I feel like it'll look really nice with some sandal heels, and just love the V neckline. It also has some really cute button detailing on the sides over here. I just kind of feel like it's going to be very inconvenient to go to the bathroom in this because I have to undo all of these buttons and unzip the back. But it looks really cute, so I'm okay with it. I just got here. The yoga studio is actually inside of their 5th Avenue location. I was looking at all the clothes walking by and I'm so tempted to buy more clothes. That actually was so good. It was definitely beginner friendly and I am not flexible at all, so I really enjoyed it and the instructor was really sweet too. We are getting some bagels at Tompkins Square Bagel, one of the best in New York City, and it's a Sunday so the line is super long, but it's moving fairly quickly. We also got some veneers. A lot of spontaneous food today.
You make me feel like it's the Sunday morning. Whatever we do comes easy like we want it. We can talk forever, of course. We ain't got the pressure on us. You make me feel like it's just Sunday morning. Might seem like we took forever, but trust me when I say this one was easy.
No seats inside there, so we are sitting at one of the parks and we're just gonna eat our bagels here. He's wearing white pants so he can't sit down.
You hold my hand when I look at you. We know what it is, yeah.
So I'm about to cook up some early dinner right now. It's only about 4 p.m. but I'm pretty hungry. So I am thinking of making 순두부 열라면. I always see it all over mukbangs and it looks like this. 순두부 is basically the silken tofu and 열라면 is the brand of the ramen that's like really spicy. And I am craving something spicy and soupy, so I think I'm gonna have this for dinner. I actually went to H Mart the other day and I bought the single pack of the 열라면, and normally when I would go they only had it in like the 5-pack, so I never got it because I think I can finish that before the expiration. So I'm glad I got the single pack. If I like how the ramen turns out, I'll probably buy the 5-pack next time. But yeah, let's try it out. Here are the ingredients you would need. You need the 열라면. I have some spicy red pepper flakes. I'm also gonna add a slice of cheese. We have half of a 순두부, which is silken tofu, the minced garlic, chopped scallions, and I'm missing something. Oh, I need to take out an egg. Let's do a taste test. Soup first. Wow. It's the perfect amount of spice. It's not too spicy for me. I definitely taste the chili oil that I made in the beginning. I'm gonna dig in now. If you guys like spicy ramen, I definitely recommend you guys try this recipe out. It tastes a little bit more gourmet than just regular instant ramen. I am on my way to my solid core class. I'm very excited for it because I haven't been to a solid core since pre-COVID, but now that I joined ClassFest again, I'm gonna start going. It's Pilates, but it's very intense, so I'm gonna be sweating tonight. The sky looks so pretty right now.